midst of doing our summer bridges program. Today is Tuesday, July 16th, and it is about 8:36, and my girls are in the computer lab. So while they're doing technology this morning, I'm going to go ahead and start setting up my room. So I thought I would bring you along so that you could see what I'm doing this summer as it relates to setting up my room. I'm going to make this a bulletin board right here behind me. I put some painter's tape down. It's a concrete wall, so I have to glue the paper to the wall. So to make it a little easier to clean up, I have put some painter's tape on it, and I'm going to glue, hot glue, my hot glue gun. I have it, nope, not plugged up yet, but I'll plug it up. I'm going to hot glue the butcher paper. I'm going to use this color here, kind of a little burgundy color, I guess it is. And I'm going to glue it to the painter's tape so that it is easier to put up and take down when I get ready to take it down. And then I'm going to hot glue the border to the paper. So after I do this, which is probably all I'm going to be able to get done, because the girls will be back at 9:15. So I have about a good 35 minutes. So after I do that, there are some boxes here on the shelf that I'm going to go through and see if it's still things that I need. If it's nothing I need, I'm going to put in the lounge and see if someone else needs it or wants it. All right, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday, July 17th, and it is about 1:16, and my summer Bridges students are gone for the day. So I'm getting ready to change out this bulletin board behind me. This is one that I had up for the summer program, but I'm going to switch it out now so that I can have it ready for back to school. So keep watching. Hey guys, so now what I'm about to do is take these letters down. These are the letters for my reading center rotation. So I'm going to take those down and move them slightly to the left so that I can put up another pocket chart. I have another pocket chart just like this that's hopefully at home in the mail. I'm going to bring it in right there because I realized I needed just a little bit more space for my work wall. What I ended up doing was taping some words up there last year because I ran out of some space somewhere in the pocket chart. Probably W words. What else did I run out of? I don't know what other alphabet, but yeah, so that's what I'm about to do now. And the reason I'm taking these letters down now instead of having taken them down in May is because I I had an idea that I was going to probably do the Bridges program, and I didn't want to have my walls too bare, so I left some of my things up. But just change it up a little, moving some of the things around, but I'm using the same thing. So now I'm going to put some border on this strip right here. I think I'm going to use maybe a fuchsia color. I think this one, I have the most of that one, so I think this is the color I'm going to go with. That was my other choice, and I could borrow some from my coworker next door if I decide to go with this one. I just might. So let's see. Alright, so as you can see, I left some space for the other pocket chart, and it's about 2:15, so I'm about to get out of here for the day, and I will pick up where I left off on tomorrow. So I think I'm going to close this first part of my classroom setup right here. If you have not liked, subscribed, commented, do that as well. Click your notification bell. Please do so. And until next time, infinity hugs and kisses.